Ito ang latest chika mga marites. Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano may love scene sa new movie. Ikinumpirma ni Donnie Pangilinan na ipapakita nila ni Bel Mariano ang kanilang mature side sa kanilang inaabangang comeback movie. Tuloy na nga ang pagbabalik ng Don Bell Love Team sa big screen ngayong taon. Ayon kay Donnie, matagal na nilang sinesekreto ang kanilang comeback movie. We've been keeping this from a lot of people for a very long time. It's been in the works for quite some time, pagbubunyag ni Donnie. Dagdag pa niya, me and Belle have spent time working with ourselves and doing our own stuff. Very special mga raw itong proyekto neto. We've been working together from some time, so I think this specific project is gonna be very special for me, for the both of us, and I just can't wait to show the people what we have, say niya. Maski si Bella excited sa muling pagsasama nila ni Donnie sa pelikula. It really feels like a comeback, right? We're really excited, and the story that was told us was really unexpected. That's all I can say ni Belle. Nang matanong sila tungkol sa kanilang character, say ni Donnie, for sure, they're going to see a mature side for the both of us. Ayon pa sa dalawa, lalabas sila sa kanilang comfort zone sa kanilang comeback movie. So, may totoong kissing scene na ba? O may love scene ba sila?